Student, how are you? Hope so all are okay. Today's class we start a new chapter, set. Follow the second slide, shading Venn diagram A intersection B. Follow the third slide, shading Venn diagram A union B. Follow the fourth slide, shading Venn diagram A complement intersection B. And follow the fifth slide. We follow here locating elements in Venn diagram. Universal set A 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B equal to 4, 6, 8. Start with A intersection B. Fill in each subset of U. Fill in remaining elements of universal set. Slide number 6 we follow here. Shade a Venn diagram for given statement A complement intersection B complement intersection C. Work with the parenthesis A complement intersection B complement. Come to the slide number 7. Shade a Venn diagram for given statement A complement intersection B complement intersection C. Work with parenthesis A complement intersection B complement. Work with the remaining part of the statement. Slide number 8. Shade a Venn diagram given statement A complement intersection B complement intersection C and work with parenthesis A complement intersection B complement. Work with the remaining part of the statement. Slide number 9 we follow the surveys a Venn diagram financial aid service of small college 100 Somfo Morris 49 receive government grants 55 receive private scholarship 43 receive college aid 23 receive government grant and pre-scholar 18 receive government grant and college and 24 receive pre-scholar and college 8 receive fund from all the three. P intersection C minus G intersection P intersection C given the values 20 and 43 10 plus 8 plus 20 equal to 5. G intersection C minus G intersection P intersection C 18 minus 8 equal to 10. 55 minus 15 plus 8 plus 20 equal to 12. G intersection P minus G intersection P intersection C. It gives us the values 23 minus 8 equal to 15. 49 15 plus 8 plus 10 equal to 16. 10 minus 16 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 12 plus 20 plus 5 equal to 14. Slide number 10 we follow here the surveys and cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers for a region for any two sets A and B. NA union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. NA if NA union B 78 N intersection B equal to 21 NB equal to 36. NA union B NA plus NB minus NA intersection B 78 equal to NA 36 minus 21. 78 equal to NA plus 15 63 equal to NA. Slide number 11 we define here some definition. Points, line, planes and angle. A point has no magnitude and no size. A line has no thickness and no width. It extends indefinitely in two directions. A plane is a flat surface extends infinitely. Come to the slide number 12. A point divides the line into two half lines, one on each side of the point. A ray in a half line including an initial point. A line segment includes two ends point. Slide number 13 we follow here points, line, planes and angle. Summary, name, figures and symbol. Line AB or BA, half line AB, half line BA, ray AB, ray BA, segment AB or segment BA. Slide number 14. Here we define the parallel lines in the same plane and never meet. Two distinct intersection lines meet a point. Skew lines do not lie in same plane and do not meet. Slide number 15 we follow the parallel planes never meet. Two distinct intersecting planes meet and form a straight line. Slide number 16. An angle is the union of two rays that have a common endpoint. An angle can be named using the following method. With the letter marking vertex B, with the number identify the angle 1 with the letter A, B, C. The first letter names point one side, second letter names the vertex, the third names is on the other side. Slide number 17 we follow here angles are measured by the amount of rotation in degrees. Classification of a angle based on the degree measured. Between 0 degree and 90 degree acute angle, 90 degree right angle greater than 90 but less than 80 obtuse angle, 180 is straight angle. Slide number 18, we follow the when two lines intersect to form right angle, they are called perpendicular. Vertical angles are formed when two lines intersection. ABC and DB are one pair of the vertical angles. DBA and EBC are their point of vertical angles. Vertical angles have equal measure. Come to the slide number 19. Complementary angles and supplementary angles. If the sum of the measures of two acute angle is 90, the angles are said to be complementary. Each is called complement of the other. Example, 50 and 40 are complementary angles. If the sum of measures of two angles is 180, the angles are said to be supplementary. Each is called supplementary of the other. Example, 50 and 130 is supplementary angle. Come to the slide number 20. Find the measure of the each mark angle below and the vertical angles are equal. By solving this equation, we solve x equal to 10. Each angle is 40 degree. Slide number 21, we follow the supplementary angles. Calculating this equation, we find the x equal to 50, angle equal to 145, 35 and 180. Slide number 22, parallel lines cut by transversal line create 8 angles. Alternate interior angles, angle measured are equal. Alternate exterior angle measures are equal. Come to the slide number 23. Parallel lines by the transversal lines create the 8 angles. Alternate interior angles and angles measures are equal. Alternate exterior angle measures are equal. Come to the slide number 24. Find the measures of mark angle by alternative mirror x equal to 75 and by the angle we find here 145. Come to the slide number 25. We follow the same slide interior angles x equal to 41. The angle is 11961 degree and 61. Follow my channel. Any question feel free to ask me and please subscribe my channel. Thank you all students.